Hello, my self-care buddies. How are you guys doing in 2024? So I thought this year I will kick off with skincare, show you guys what I've been using throughout this summer and what I'm continuing to use throughout our autumn, because we are entering autumn here in South Africa, and I know in other parts of the world you guys are entering your summers. So for cleansing, I will be using this gentle cleanser. It's a cleaning mask, and I'm using these because I'm a person that, although I don't use makeup, but I do use a sunscreen, so it's very important to double cleanse whenever using makeup, or if you're a person who uses sunscreen. So I use it evening and morning because I just like the way it leaves my skin so nice and hydrated. And the reason why I'm showing this skincare or new skincare routine is because I've used these products before from Gentle Magic, and I wanted to go back and use them again and see how they're going to treat my skin. So I'm starting off with this gentle cleanser that I've showed you guys. It's a sort of a cleansing milk cleanser, and it doesn't strip away any of my skin natural oils, which is why I like to use it. Like I'm saying, I use it in the evening as well, in the mornings as well, sorry, but usually people use it like if they want to take off their makeup, and I'm not a makeup person, however I do use a lot of sunscreen, so it's really good for that. So the look is for hydrating, or it's a creamy cleanser. It helps retain the moisture in my skin, while also it removes like dirt and impurities as well. So after applying this cleanser, I'm going to move on and use the bar soap, the green bar soap from Gentle Magic. So let's carry on. done, and we're moving on to using a toner. Now I like to use an alcohol-free toner just to rebalance my skin's pH levels after cleansing, especially after double cleansing. So I usually have toners that contain hydrating and soothing ingredients, and mine contains a lady's mantle, which helps to brighten my complexion. It also helps to reduce inflammation, protecting my skin from radical damages. It also does cleanse the skin and also tightens the pores. You also want to look for a toner that hydrates, especially, and soothes, the ingredients that soothes, like your hyaluronic acid, I hope I'm pronouncing right, and also aloe vera, or otherwise any kind of rose water would help as well to replenish the moisture on your skin. Now I'm moving on to applying a serum. So I'm applying a hydrating serum. You also want to look for something that has the hyaluronic acid in it, vitamin C, or niacinamates. Okay, so the serum, it helps to lock in the moisture, it brightens your complexion as well, and provides additional nourishment to your skin. So I also like to use this at night. I just use the serum. I don't have to go on and use the moisturizer like I'm doing right now. I like to just use the serum at night and leave it there, or otherwise use the moisturizer only, or both of them, because my moisturizer is for morning and also evening. So you can choose a moisturizer that provides intense hydration. You can look for something that has like shea butter, ceramides, or oils, maybe jojoba oil or argan to help your skin, the barrier of your skin, and prevent moisture loss. And now I will be moving on to SPF, and it can also be a face cream. The one that I chose, it has collagen, and I can also use this on its own as a moisturizer as well. That's why I love this one, and I use this all year around, as you should with SPF. It doesn't matter if it's summer or if it's winter, you just have to use or apply your sunscreen every single time you go out there, because the UV rays can still harm your skin even on those cloudy days. So you choose something that is a broad spectrum sunscreen, and preferably something higher, like 50-55 up there. So this is the last step. It should be your last step on your skin care routine before you apply like makeup or anything else. But in my case, I don't apply anything like that. And also something that I don't really use is an eye cream. But if you're a person who uses an eye cream, you specifically want to use something that is delicate on the skin around your eyes, and look for ingredients again like your hyaluronic acids, peptides, caffeine, to help reduce puffiness, and also brings hydration into your eyes and helps with the dark circles. Now I'm moving on to lip care. So for winter, I like to use this Labello SPF 30 on my lips. It's very good, and also, but this one likes to dry my lips a little bit, so I like to use that first lip care that you saw there. It keeps my lips hydrated, and then after that I go on and put the Labello SPF. I use the lip balm that has this one that I'm using now. It has very nice ingredients on it, which is why I like to use this as a base before I use the SPF lip balm. and you can just reapply it throughout the day as needed to just prevent any chapping or crackling on the skin. So this is what I have for my summer and autumn skincare. So you can hydrate, especially from inside as well, by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. You can use humidifiers in your home. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another one. Bye guys. And remember, everyone's skin is different.